probably, what, 30 years or more? Probably, Gene? Alton Pearson Award, probably?
Since the 90s, late 90s.
Yep,
early
yep.
2000s.
So we have 3 awards to hand out tonight. Alton Pearson Award, Paul Sohn Memorial Award, and the James Curtis Memorial Award. So we'll start with the James Curtis Memorial Award, and the James Curtis Memorial Award it's awarded to the winner and or the person that had the most points in a flat bottom class, because James Curtis was a flat bottom guy. Some of you guys may or may not have met him. We lost James probably almost 10 years ago now. But this award goes out to the winner of that award, and that is Jimmy Klaus. You want to say something, James?
I can take it.
No.
Don't leave yet, Jimmy. Don't leave yet, Jimmy.
Hold up, James.
I'm a little something getting over. I'm a little something. I may need one right here. I might need one. I gotta get my phone turned on first. Get back up here again. Oh yeah. Get up there close to him too. Forgot you.
Congratulations, Jim. And thanks, Skiff, for letting me drive on your boat still. All right, so our second award is the Paul Sohn Memorial Award. This might be tough to get through. It goes to the winner of the Eastern Divisionals for the Jersey Speed Skiff class. Paul Sohn was a skiff racer. He and I came out at the same time. We were rookies at the same year. And his family was into it just like all the rest of our families were into it. Great guy. A hell of a lot of fun to be around. And so they've come up with this award to honor the people that win the Eastern Divisionals for the Jersey Speed Skiff class. And I've won it numerous times. And I give away a lot of trophies. But that's one trophy I won't give away. It means a lot to our class, and it means a lot to me to award it to Sewell Boys Racing, Billy Sewell, and Austin Hayes. Great job.
That's tough, man. I know where you're coming from.
Yeah.
She'll give me enough time.
Oh, that'd be great.
God, yeah, she never gives me enough time. Congratulations, guys. Billy, he said he let you win that. Billy,
I never
he let you win that.
I never let anybody win anything. You go past me or you're in front of me, you earned it. You work for it. I don't give away nothing. I gave away a high points and the guy beat me with my own motor, but he had to earn it. So you guys earned it. Great job. Always a pleasure with you guys. Good job, man. And there's always Sunday. Exactly. I'm coming for you. Okay. The Alton Pearson Award, I'm going to need a little bit of help from either Gene or Peggy with some of the history of that. I know it a little bit, but I don't know it well enough to do it justice. So, which one you got? I'm not sure where he is.
Wilder's a man you know what you need.
Come on, Gene, you know it.
I'll tell you what I do know.
Oh, there you go.
All I do know is Alton Pearson drove a 280, 5-liter, years and years ago. Bobo, or something like that. And he worked for the beer company, National Bohemian Beer Company. And he was a treasurer up in Ken Ellen area. And he raced against Skeeter Johnson, a bunch of other guys back in the day, been a long time. But we started giving this award away, I don't know, 10 or 15 years ago probably, on his behalf. And Gave it to the 5-liter class. It's most times where it's been going, but some of the 5-liters have dispersed, some of the national mods have dispersed, so this year this award got combined, I guess, between the 5-liters and the national mods. So you can take it from here.
That's all I know, folks. Sorry.
All right.
I'm not a good speaker.
So
I need some beers. I'll be all right.
for those two classes, there were only a couple boats that were here, but with the 2 boats that were here, this award goes to a person that does a lot for boat racing. Families had a lot to do with boat racing, going back to the probably 50s and 60s. So this award goes to Greg Isaac. Greg has a national mod, tries to come to about every event and supports his class and tries to get as many guys to come to support his class. He even runs with the 350s. If APBA would change a few things, he'd probably still run with the 7-liters and probably put a whooping on some of the 7-liters out there. So, Greg, you've done a lot for this sport. This is from Hill Small Gang.
Everybody boat racing. Everybody boat racing.
I would like to say, I'm probably one of the only guys here old enough to remember Alton, a.k.a. Chipmunk, they called him. Super driver, great guy. I'm very proud to have his name on the crew. Thank you.
Alrighty, I want to, we only give out special awards tonight. We'll give out awards for the overall finishes tomorrow afternoon for all the classes. But I just want to go through and acknowledge, since we've acknowledged 2 classes for Eastern Divisionals, I just want to acknowledge the other boats and how well those guys did in each one of the classes. So in the T class, 1.5-liter stock class, Eastern Divisionals went to John Shaw. And I think John's probably still over there going through inspection, maybe. There he is, John. Come up here and say something. You gotta say something. I don't have anything to give you other than a beer, but you can say something.
Thanks to everybody that helped us get the boats in and out of the water. We were super short-handed trying to run a whole bunch of boats. And, thanks to everybody that helped hook the boat up or hold at the dock or that. Couldn't do it without you guys. So thanks.
All right. Congratulations, John. All right. I know these guys aren't here because I know they're over there doing inspection stuff. But for the 1-liter mod class, the Eastern Divisionals, actually, I think the driver is here somewhere. It would be the Y80 Outlaw. That's Keith McMullen. That's boat with Bob Wilson and Chris Oliver. All right, I probably should have waited on this one or done this one first. But the 2.5 mod class, a couple classes combined a little bit. Some guys stepped up to be able to get another class to run. But the winner in the 2.5 mod class is also John Shaw. And Doug Martin.